Staff Selection Commission (SSC) has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 1876 sub-inspector posts in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces. Interested and eligible candidates may apply online here. Name of posts: Sub-Inspector Executive in Delhi Police. Number of posts: 162, male, 109, female, 53. Category-wise vacancy: male 88 posts, female 53 posts. Ex-serviceman 7 posts. Ex-serviceman special category 3 posts. Departmental candidates 11 posts. Sub-Inspector GD. Number of posts: 1601, female 113. Department-wise vacancy: BSF 113 posts, male 107, female 6. CISF 630 posts, male 567, female 63. CRPF 818 posts, male 788, female 30. ITBP 63 posts, male 54, female 9. SSB 90 posts, male 85, female 5. Age limit of the candidates should be from 20 to 25 years as on the 1st of August 2023. Candidates born not before the 2nd of August 1998 and not later than the 1st of August 2003. Age relaxation: the category-wise age relaxation is as mentioned below. SC, ST, 5 years. OBC, 3 years. Ex-serviceman, 3 years. Educational qualification for all posts as bachelor's degree from a recognized university or equivalent. Professional qualification: for the post of sub-inspector in Delhi Police only, male candidates must possess a valid driving license for LMV, motorcycle and car on the date fixed for physical endurance and measurement tests. However, the candidates who do not have a valid driving license for LMV, motorcycle and car are eligible for all other posts in CAPFs. Application fees: UR OBC 100. Women, SC, ST, PWD and ASSAM, NEEL. Payment mode: SBI Challan, net banking by using Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, RuPay Credit, Debit Card. How to apply: interested and eligible candidates may apply online for these vacancy through online mode by visiting official SSC recruitment portal. Starting date of submission of online application: the 22nd of July 2023. Last date of submission of online application: the 15th of August 2023. Advertisement details and online application link: check the description box.